So I've got my mini boombox here. I want to go over all the features of this. I mean, there are quite a bit. So it does come, we've got a power cord here, and there's three different ways you can go ahead and power this. Right here is where we go ahead and plug in the power cord. Back here is where we're going to put in our D-cells batteries. And then on this side, if you want, you can go ahead and power it with the DC 6-volt adapter. You can also, of course, put headphones in here. On the front here, you can see we've got a handle. We've also got a nice large antenna, and then we've got several functions. Right up top, we can do radio. We can also do MP3 or Bluetooth. Of course, we've got our cassette tape, AM, FM, shortwave. We can also put in a micro SD card over here. This is where you can put in a USB stick, and you can go ahead and control your cassette player over here. Right here is our ejection, and then we can see right here our display for AM, FM, and shortwave. We've got a nice speaker over here, and we've got our volume and our bass control right over here to the left. Now this does have a microphone, but I just love the way that it looks. It's very retro from like the 80s and 90s. That's what it reminds me of. I love the red color here. It just kind of pops. Real light, easy to carry, nice and compact. And you got a boombox, and it plays cassettes too, which is really cool.